and he says, he has almost finished dinner. Why did you leave the dinner room? Then Lady Macbeth come to him, to General Macbeth, and she asked him, he has almost finished his dinner. Lady Macbeth reported Macbeth, and she says that he has almost finished his dinner. Why did you leave the dining room? Lady Macbeth says, ask General Macbeth that why he came out of the dinner. And why did he come, students? Because he was overpowered by the ideas of his killing. He was thinking about the consequences of killing. He was thinking that whether he should go on the path of killing or not. And in this all turbulences, General Macbeth comes out of the dinner room, and then Lady Macbeth follows her, and she asked her. And then what is the answer of the Macbeth? He says, has he asked for me? You see, I mean, वो कहते हैं ना चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. तो मैकबेथ को यूँ लगता है क्या उन्होंने मेरे बारे में पूछा, किंग डंकन ने मेरे बारे में पूछा. तो लेडी मैकबेथ से, डोंट यू नो ही हैज, तुम्हें पता नहीं क्या उसने नहीं पूछे. वो तो तेरे लिए आपके लिए पूछेंगे ही, क्योंकि आप होस्ट हो, और जब खाना खाते हुए बीच में से उठ के चले आए तो पूछना स्वाभाविक, भाई ऐसा क्या हो गया. तो जो ये जो प्लानिंग जो है उनकी, चोरी वाली प्लानिंग है, उनको मारने वाली जो प्लानिंग है, वो कहीं न कहीं मैकबेथ को रिलेक्टेंट कर रही है, और मैकबेथ अपने आप में उसमें हिचक हैं, और वो हिचक हावी होकर के कहीं उनके प्लान को फेल नहीं कर दे, इसके लिए लेडी मैकबेथ आगे उसको इंस्टिगेट करती है. वी विल रीड दिस लाइन्स. लेडी मैकबेथ, एंड देन मैकबेथ सेज, वी कांट गो ऑन विद दिस प्लान. See the reluctance of Macbeth. The king has just honored me, and I have earned the good opinion of all sorts of people. I want to enjoy these honors while the feeling is fresh and not throw them away soon. So he says that I can't go on this plan. We can't go on this plan. We should not kill king. King has honored me as a thing of order, and we must enjoy this success, this post, this achievement. We should not go on killing him. Then Lady Macbeth says, were you drunk when you seemed so full before? Then Lady Macbeth taunted him. How? Through these words you see here. Were you drunk when you seemed so full, hopeful before? जब तुम राजा बनने की सोचे थे, इतने आशा नहीं थे, तब क्या तुमने कुछ नशा वशा कर रखा था? मतलब तुम अब पीछे हट रहे हो, और तुम जो राजा बनने का सपना देख रहे थे उस समय क्या तुम नशे में थे? Have you gone to sleep and walked up green and pale in tears of this idea, in fear of this idea? And she said that were you sleeping, and now you have awakened, and now you are feeling afraid. Why it has happened? And then from now on, this is what I will think of your love. और मैं तुमसे क्या सोचूं, तुम्हारे को कैसे, तुम्हारे बारे में एक अफेक्शन वाली जो फीलिंग है वो कैसे रखूं. तुम तो इतने कवर्ड हो. आर यू अफ्रेड टू टेक द वे यू डिजायर? विल यू टेक द क्राउन यू वांट सो बैडली, और विल यू लिव एज ए क्राउड कवर्ड, always saying I can't after you say I want to. You were like the poor cat in the old story. And dear student, you see the Lady Macbeth, how she has taunted, how she has encouraged Macbeth. You are like a poor cat, कि तुम एक बूढ़ी बिल्ली की तरह हो जो सोचती थे कि मैं शिकार करूं, लेकिन कर नहीं पाती, करने के पहले वो हिचक जाती है. और क्या तुम अपनी जो इच्छाएं हैं उनको पूरा करने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं करोगे? और यदि तुम ताज को चाहते हो, क्राउन को चाहते हो, तो तुम्हें ये करना पड़ेगा. एंड देन मैकबेथ सेज, प्लीज स्टॉप. I dare to do only what is proper for a man to do. Again you see, dear students, these lines which explains the characteristic of General Macbeth. He says, please stop. He says, don't taunt me. I dare to do only what is proper for a man to do. What Macbeth wants to do? The things which are proper for a man. And what are the things which are proper for a man? To work honestly, to serve the nation, to be honest, and to not follow the wrong path. These are the things which are proper for a man. And he says that I dare to do. I am not a coward man. I am a brave man. But what I do, what is proper for a man to do, that only I do. He who dares to do more is not a man at all. How good line it is. कितनी बढ़िया लाइन है, आप देखो क्या कहता है मैकबेथ. He who dares to do more is not a man at all. वो कहता है कि एक इंसान के लिए, एक आदमी के लिए जो करने योग्य हैं उससे ज़्यादा कुछ करता है तो वो व्यक्ति इंसान नहीं है, वह शैतान है. क्योंकि भगवान तो इंसान हो नहीं सकता, और जो इस तरह के काम करेगा तो वो इंसान नहीं है. वो एक तरह से दूसरे शब्दों में कहें तो मैकबेथ ने अपने आप कह दिया है एक इनडायरेक्ट वर्ड्स में कि वो जो है शैतान है. एंड ही डजंट वांट टू गो ऑन द वेज ऑफ डेविड. देन लेडी मैकबेथ सेज, if you weren't man, then what kind of animal were you when you first told me you wanted to do this? When you dared to do it, that's when you were a man. अब देखिए लेडी मैकबेथ वापस उसको इंस्टिगेट करती है. If you weren't a man, then what kind of animal were you when you first told me you wanted to do this? वो कहती है कि तुम आदमी नहीं थे, मतलब जो आदमी के करने योग्य काम नहीं है और वो तुमने सोच लिया, तो उस समय उसका मतलब तुम आदमी नहीं थे उस समय जब तुमने राजा को मारने की बात कही. और फिर तुम बताओ कि तुम कौन से जानवर थे, मतलब आदमी तो थे नहीं, तो फिर तुम क्या थे जब तुमने ये सोचा, उस समय तुम क्या थे. व्हेन यू डेयर टू डू इट, दैट्स व्हेन यू आर अ मैन. दैट इज, एंड इफ यू गो वन स्टेप फर्दर बाय डूइंग व्हाट यू डेयर टू डू बिफोर, यू विल बी दैट मच मोर द मैन. और फिर वो कहती है कि जब तुमने ये सोचा कि मैं राजा को मार के शासन ले लूँगा, तुम उसमें मैन थे. और यदि तुम ये करोगे, एक स्टेप इसमें आगे जाओगे, you will be more a man. I mean, you will earn more reputation, you will earn kingdom, you will earn much power, and all these things which come by the killing of king will make you a more powerful man, will make you a real man, or will empower the capacities of men. So she instigated Macbeth to do this crime. The time and place weren't right before, but you would have gone ahead with the murder anyhow. Now the time and place are just right, but they are almost too good for you. I have suckled a baby, and I know how sweet it is to love the baby at my breast. But even as the baby was smiling up at me, I would have plucked my nipple out of its mouth and smashed its brain out against a wall if I had sworn to do that, the same way you have sworn to do this. Students, these lines are really very important, which describe the characteristic of Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth has been given the name of fourth witch in this play, and why it is so, you read these lines. क्या कहती हैं वो, यदि मैं तुम्हारी जगह होती और मैंने यदि ये कसम खाई होती कि मैं किसी को मार करके राज्य ले लूँगी, तो यदि छोटा बच्चा मैं उसको दूध पिला रही होती और मुझे उसको मारना होता, तो मैं उसको दूध पिलाते हुए बंद करके उसका सिर जो है वो दीवार पे दे मारती. हाउ हीनियस थॉट्स आर देयर इन द माइंड ऑफ लेडी मैकबेथ. हाउ करेजियस शी इज, हाउ ब्रेव शी इज to commit the wrong deeds. Mean her conscience never stops her to do such activities, and due to this she has been given the name of fourth witch in this play. And then Macbeth, but if we fail, you see again the fear of Macbeth. He says that okay, we will kill the king, but if we fail, then what will happen? Then Lady Macbeth says, we fail? If you get your courage up, we can't fail. Okay, हम फेल हो जाएंगे नहीं, तुम यदि अपने साहस को बढ़ा के रखो, हम कभी फेल नहीं होंगे. और फिर वो प्लानिंग बताती है कि हाउ टू गो अहेड इन दिस क्राइम. एंड व्हेन डंकन इज asleep, the day's hard journey has definitely made him tired. I will get his two servants so drunk that their memory will go up in the smoke through the chimneys of their brains. Okay, when the king is asleep, he is tired, and he won't be able to rise again, and his to guards, she will pour them liquor. She will make them drunk, so they will also not be able to wake up. And during that time, what won't you and I be able to do the unguarded Duncan? And she says that on that time, when everyone will be in deep sleeping, everyone will be slept, we will be able to kill King Duncan easily. And then Macbeth says, "May you only give birth to male children, because your fearless spirit should create nothing that isn't masculine." And then Macbeth appreciates Lady Macbeth, and he says that you should born only male child, because your courage, your characteristics, your bravery can't give the birth less than masculine power, less than brave men. You can't be a mother of feminine characteristic or feminine ways. I mean, the girls, we on that time in the middle age, on the Shakespearean era, when the women were not the part of the war, I mean, and women were taken as delicate, as weak, or as less courageous than the men. So he says that you should born only male child, and this will be a gift to everyone. And then Lady Macbeth says, "Who could think it happened any other way? We will be grieved loudly when we hear that Duncan has died." And again, Macbeth asked Lady Macbeth that if people will think about, then what will we do? So she says that who will think? We will kill the King Duncan and his two guards, and after that we will start to grieve loudly, and no one will think about that. And now Macbeth has been convinced. He is fully convinced by the idea of Lady Macbeth. He was again ready. He was again with courage to do the crime, to kill the King Duncan. And he says, "Now I am decided, and I will exert every muscles in my body to commit this crime." He says that I am ready to do this crime. I am ready to kill the King Duncan, and I will use the power of my each muscles to commit this crime. Go now and pretend to be a friendly hostess. And now he says to Lady Macbeth that you go to the king and other people and try to be a friendly hostess. Hide with a false pleasant face what you know in your false evil heart. And again you see, जो गलत चीज़ है उसको कैसे दबाया जाए. वो कहता है कि तुम्हारे जो चेहरे पे हैं, तुम्हारे हृदय के भाव वो चेहरे पर मत आने देना कि तुम अंदर से कुछ और सोच रही हो. And with this, the scene 7 of Act 1 ends here. This act is also over, and the in next act we will read how the plays goes on further. Thank you, students.